Welcome to Bestiae Primalis, a channel dedicated to examining nature through evidence and reason. Today we're going to analyze the green anaconda, not as myth or spectacle, but as it truly is. A predator shaped by evidence, biology, and the silent balance of South America's wetlands. Its eyes and nostrils barely above the water. In the slow-moving rivers and in flooded savannas of South America, few animals command such profound power with economical stealth. We study this magnificent creature not for the spectacle of its size, though that is indeed impressive. We study it to understand a fundamental principle of the natural world, how life shapes and is in turn shaped by the intricate dance of water, prey, ever-present risk. It represents an evolutionary experiment in achieving maximum predatory impact through minimum energetic output. This exploration will examine the anaconda as a living, breathing system. We are not here merely to describe what it does, but to analyze why it does it. Our purpose is to ask how each trait, each behavior, the anaconda's internal physiology is just as specialized as its external form. Its internal anatomy is tuned for a water life. Its entire system is tuned for a life of long periods of inactivity, punctuated by bursts of extreme effort. A large snake's metabolism is inherently slow, a trait pushed to the extreme in the green anaconda. This metabolic frugality is the engine of its survival strategy. After consuming a substantial meal, such as a capybara or a young caiman, an anaconda can go for weeks, and in some cases many months, without hunting again. During digestion, its metabolic rate can increase dramatically to process the meal, but it soon returns to a state of profound energy conservation. This low-energy lifestyle shapes every aspect of the anaconda's behavior. It dictates where the snake rests, how it moves, and when it chooses to take risks. A hunt is a significant expenditure of energy, and a failed attempt is a costly loss. Therefore, its strategy is built to maximize success while minimizing effort. This is why it favors ambush over active pursuit. Chasing prey through water or across land would be far too draining. Instead, the anaconda lets the prey come to it, investing energy only in the final, decisive strike and constriction. Adaptations for an aquatic existence are profound. The anaconda's circulatory system is adapted for dives. Its respiratory system is too. It can hold its breath for 10 minutes or more, allowing it to wait patiently on the riverbed or to drown prey that it has dragged into the water. Its heart is also remarkably mobile within its body cavity. This allows the organ to shift out of the way as a large, bulky meal passes down the esophagus, preventing circulatory shutdown during the arduous process of swallowing. It's a crucial solution to the mechanical problem of consuming prey as wide as the snake itself. Furthermore, the anaconda's senses are finely tuned to detect disturbances in its aquatic environment. While its eyesight is adequate, especially in low light, it relies heavily on other inputs. It can detect chemical cues in the water. With flicks of its forked tongue, those scent particles reach the highly sensitive Jacobson's organ in the roof of its mouth. It can also feel vibrations through the water, alerting it to the approach of a large animal. This combination of sensory modalities creates a detailed picture of its immediate surroundings, allowing it to make precise, low-energy decisions about when to wait and when to explode into action. The snake's coloration provides an additional layer of concealment. Dark, olive, green, large circular black blotches along its back, smaller yellow-centered spots along its flanks. This complex pattern is not for show. It is a highly effective form of disruptive camouflage. The result is a creature that can become nearly invisible, melting into the background of shadows, water, and leaf litter, waiting for the perfect moment to reveal its presence with lethal speed. The green anaconda is the quintessential ambush predator. Its entire hunting philosophy is built upon the twin pillars of stillness concealment honed over millennia to a lethal art form. The snake does not wander aimlessly in search of a meal. It deliberately selects ambush sites with a high probability of success, These are often game trails leading to the water-narrow channels between lagoons, sun-drenched riverbanks where animals like capybaras come to bask. Once a location is chosen, the snake commits to waiting. It will often lie with the vast majority of its coiled body submerged, a silent, living trap hidden beneath the surface. From this concealed position, movement is minimized to an almost imperceptible degree. Only the eye's nostrils may breach the surface, appearing as little more than floating debris to the untrained eye. The anaconda remains in this state of patient readiness for hours, or even days, conserving its energy and waiting for the right moment. Prey animals, conditioned to look for predators that move, often approach the water's edge completely unaware of the immense danger lurking just inches away. The anaconda's discipline is its greatest weapon, allowing it to bypass the prey's natural defenses by simply not appearing to be a threat at all. When the moment arrives, the strike is a study in explosive power, not sustained speed. As the unsuspecting prey lowers its head to drink or enters the water to cross, the anaconda lunges, its jaws equipped with rows of sharp, backward-curving teeth, open wide to seize a firm grip. These teeth are not for chewing but for holding on, preventing the prey from escaping the initial grasp. Immediately following the strike, the snake's powerful body goes into action. The coils wrap around the victim with astonishing speed and precision. Constriction is a far more sophisticated process than simply crushing bones, a common misconception. As the snake tightens its coils, it restricts the prey's ability to breathe and, more importantly, it shuts down its circulatory system. With every exhalation of the victim, the anaconda tightens its grip, preventing the lungs from re-inflating. Simultaneously, the immense pressure overwhelms the cardiovascular system, causing a rapid drop in blood pressure and stopping blood flow to the brain. This forceful yet highly efficient method is devastatingly effective against the large, powerful mammals and reptiles that constitute its primary food source. The anaconda's life is a testament to the power of patience. In a world that often celebrates speed and frantic activity, this colossal serpent offers a different lesson. It demonstrates that dominance can be achieved through stillness, through a deep and instinctual understanding of its environment. It is a creature that has mastered the art of waiting, conserving its immense strength for the single decisive moment when opportunity presents itself. As an apex predator in many of South America's wetland systems, the green anaconda exerts a powerful influence that shapes the entire ecosystem. Its most direct impact is on the populations of its prey. By preying on large herbivores such as capybaras, deer anacondas help to control their numbers, preventing overgrazing. This control has a cascading effect throughout the food web. When herbivore populations are kept in check, the vegetation along riverbanks in marshes can flourish. This dense plant life stabilizes the soil, prevents erosion, and improves water clarity, creating healthier habitats for countless other species of fish, insects, birds. In this way, the anaconda acts as an ecosystem engineer, not by building structures like a beaver, but by its influence on the behavior and abundance of other species. Its very presence can alter where and when herbivores choose to feed, creating a landscape of fear that keeps them away from the most dangerous watersides. The anaconda also influences the community of other predators. It is locked in a complex web of competition with jaguars, large caimans, the other top carnivores in its habitat. All three species may prey on capybaras, other medium to large animals. The outcome of these interactions is not always predictable. A large jaguar may successfully prey upon a medium-sized anaconda, while a large anaconda is fully capable of consuming a young caiman. This balance of power is dynamic, shifting with prey availability, habitat structure, and the relative sizes of the individual animals involved. The presence of the anaconda adds a crucial layer of complexity to these predator guilds. The green anaconda's relationship with humans is fraught with misunderstanding and fear. Its immense size, its silent and secretive nature, its powerful method of hunting. These traits have made it the subject of myth and legend for centuries. These stories, often wildly exaggerating its size and aggression, have contributed to a perception of the snake as a malevolent monster of the swamp. This reputation has, in many regions, led to direct persecution. Anacondas are often killed on sight out of fear or in the mistaken belief that they threaten livestock or people, though documented attacks on humans are exceedingly rare. The green anaconda is far more than a simple biological curiosity. It is a functional apex predator, a living embodiment of evolutionary logic. Its colossal size, its specialized aquatic physiology, its patient ambush-based hunting strategy, all of these cohere into a masterful design for survival in the wetlands of South America. It shapes its environment through predation and competition, maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem it commands. To watch an anaconda hunt is to observe ecological principles in their purest form, the economy of effort, the bold exploitation of opportunity, the slow, deliberate calculus of energy that governs all life. In the end, the anaconda's true mystery is not one of violence or monstrous aggression. It is the mystery of fitness, the profound and elegant way a species becomes perfectly suited to its world. This snake is a compelling case study in aquatic predation. It challenges our view of predators as frenetic, constant movers. It teaches that the most powerful hunters can be the most patient. They wait, they measure their chances,